Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this delicious ashi seafood. Ashi is a Nigerian thickener. You can Google it to find out more about ashi. It's commonly used in Anambra State. Okay, so let's get to the cooking. I'm going to be adding my seafood, which is the fish I'm using is called orata because I live in Italy. After that, I'm going to be adding my stockfish. I prefer fresh or frozen stockfish over dry stockfish right now. And here I'm adding my pepper mixture, which is bell pepper, scotch bonnet pepper, and onion. Then add some salt, some seasoning, stir and cover it to cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'm going to add the rest of the fish I'm using, which is smoked catfish, oporo, which is big stockfish. I grew up in Port Harcourt, so we call this oporo in the rivers. And the other fish I used, which I don't know the name, which they are all dry smoked. All right. So I added extra water, stir everything. At this point, I'm going to add crayfish as well. Stir everything. I didn't want it. I was thinking not to take up the fish, but me, I am very strong in stirring soup, so I had to take the fish off because of thumbnail. Normally, like on a normal day, I don't like taking the fish off, but I had to do it because I need the fish for thumbnails. So after taking the fish off the soup, I'm going to add the crayfish, like I said earlier. Stir everything, test for seasoning, put the lid on, and bring them to boil. So I'm using 1 tablespoon of achi for this soup. To melt the achi, I'm going to add a tablespoon of red oil. I actually added too much, so I took some of that oil off camera because I didn't want too much red oil. All right. So to melt it, because still in winter here in Italy, to melt it, I place the bowl over the pot. As you can see, the soup is boiling there. To melt it, I just place it there to help me, get the oil melt very well. All right, after that, I'll open the soup and add the offal. Make sure that you are adding offal while the liquid is boiling. So after adding the offal, give it a quick stir and put the lid on, not fully covered, okay, and bring them to boil again. After that, stir them and you are free to add back the fish. I'm also going to be adding another crayfish and allow them to cook again for 2 minutes before adding my ozuza. Mind you, ozuza, this soup is nothing without ozuza leaf. Okay. So I added the ozuza leaf I had in my freezer. I don't know how many years the ozuza leaf have lasted in my freezer. Freezer is a lifesaver when you live in Europe or when you live outside Nigeria. So now I added the crayfish, now stir, and I will allow them to cook for like 2-3 minutes before adding the ozuza. And in this soup, I actually give it a pinch of, I don't know how to explain, but I added parsley leaf inside this to elevate the taste. Guys, you need to try it. Add just a little bit of parsley leaf with ozuza leaf into this ashi soup. You will never regret it because the taste it was amazing. My husband actually ate this food. My husband is Italian, for those of you that don't know, and he doesn't eat Nigerian soup. But my husband ate this. I forgot to capture him while eating this this soup. My husband enjoyed this soup, and my kids were like, "Oh, this is the best, one of the best Nigerian soup I've ever made for them." Thank you for watching, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Let me know if you're going to try this soup or if you already tried it. This is my auntie's recipe, mind you. Okay, so thank you, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.